In today's video, I'm going to teach you create a funnel in Thinkific. A funnel is simply the guided path a visitor follows from discovering your offer to taking action, like enrolling or claiming a free lesson. Setting this up in Thinkific helps you present the right message at the right time so your audience understands what you're offering and why it matters to them. Start by logging into your Thinkific admin dashboard. This is your control center, and you'll need to be signed in to access your marketing tools. Once you're in, look for the Marketing tab. Depending on your version, it may be labeled Market and Sell. Open that, then choose Funnels. This takes you to the area where all of your funnels live and where you'll create new ones. Click the plus Create Funnel button. This opens a simple setup flow that begins with choosing your funnel type. Thinkific provides options like a sales page funnel, ideal for promoting a paid course or bundle, and a free lesson funnel, perfect when you want to build your list by offering a valuable preview or lead magnet. Pick the one that aligns with your goal so the system can scaffold the right structure for you. Next, follow the prompts to select the course or offer you want to promote. Choose the exact course, bundle, or product that will be featured in this funnel. This tells Thinkific which content to reference throughout the funnel pages. You'll then be asked about your target audience. Describe who they are and the problem they're trying to solve, using clear, specific language. For example, you might note that your audience is new managers who need practical leadership tools for their first 90 days, or busy creatives who want to build a portfolio without going back to school. The clearer you are here, the more focused your messaging will be. After that, enter the benefits and outcomes your course delivers. Focus on what learners will gain, not just what the course contains. Translate features into results, like finishing a curriculum in 4 weeks, building a usable project, passing a certification exam, or gaining confidence to apply new skills at work. Make these outcomes concrete and measurable when possible, and keep them aligned with the audience and problem you already defined. When you're satisfied, click Done to generate the funnel structure. Thinkific will create a pre-built sequence tailored to your chosen funnel type, populated with placeholders that reflect your audience and benefits. From here, you'll see the pages and steps laid out so you can review the flow and refine the copy and visuals to match your brand and voice. That's the core setup. By following these prompts carefully, you'll have a strong, purpose-built funnel ready for customization and launch.